Hello my beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so happy that you've joined me here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some makeup products that I genuinely enjoy. I've been using them for some time. I've also mentioned them in some hauls. I've done a few swatches here and there, but I really want to do a makeup look with all of these products. Now, I have spoken about them, I guess, on Instagram stories as well, and you might have seen me mention them every once in a while, but in today's video, we're going to do this beautiful makeup look right here using all of those products. Now, if you're watching me for the first time, then hi, my name's Preiti. I'm India's first cruelty-free beauty blogger. I talk about all things cruelty-free, which means products that are not tested on animals. All the products in today's video are cruelty-free, and some of them are vegan as well. Now, if this is the kind of content you resonate with, that you want to watch more of, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and continue watching today's video. Let's get into it, you guys. So I'm first going to prime my skin. I've already prepped it with skincare. I'm going to use this primer right here, the Plume Silk Blur Primer. Plume is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. I've recently been introduced to them and I absolutely love the brand. They also have vegan makeup brushes, which is awesome. So I'm going to use a tiny amount of this. What I like about this is that this is super moisturizing. It's like a thick cream, and a little goes a long way. This really preps and primes your skin to allow all of that makeup to nicely blend all over your skin without looking patchy. Especially when you have combination skin, you need to be really particular. Okay, so the primer looks good, you guys. Now, very quickly, a primer is extremely important if you have textured skin, if you have combination oily skin, if you sweat a lot, because it's going to create this barrier between your makeup and even your SPF. If you're applying some sunscreen, you can go in with some primer. I almost always apply a primer underneath, especially when my sunscreen is not silicone based. It's going to really make it all waterproof, everything, especially if you sweat a lot. I sweat a lot, so it's very important for me to apply primer. So as I sweat, or if I'm getting too oily, you know, all that sebum is coming out, the primer is going to block all of that. So that's basically why you need a primer. I'm now going in with this guy right here, the Elega Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator. This is one of my favorite strobe creams out there. It gives you this beautiful finish on your skin. Look at that. I want my makeup to look extremely dewy while being smudge proof and while being waterproof. So I've applied the strobe cream all over this area. I'm going to apply some right here as well. Look at that glow, you guys. This is one of my favorite strobe creams out there. It gives you this beautiful finish. Now, of course, we're going in with some concealer, with some compact, and it's all going to get a little mattified, yet looks super dewy. This is super affordable. I don't know why I haven't spoken much about this. If you can get your hands on this, then definitely do. I think it comes in 2 or 3 different colors. This is the shade Moonlight. I think they have a nice pinkish color, a golden shade as well, very similar to the PAC strobe creams. I'm going to use my Catrice Camouflage concealer. I bought this in Bahrain when I was on my holidays back home in April. This is one of the best concealers out there. This does not budge, you guys. This is amazing. I'm going to use my Plume sponge. This is so good. It's so fluffy. It's so soft. And it blends the makeup so well. I've dampened it ever so slightly. Of course, you have to dampen all of your beauty sponges before using them. This is so soft. Just look at that. It says it's high coverage, but I think it's a medium coverage. It's not a full coverage concealer, but it is so good. It's one of the best drugstore concealers out there. I'm going to use my Essence Fixing Powder. This is a pressed loose powder, which really helps to set all of that makeup. I love this so much. Again, I bought this during my Bahrain visit. I did a haul video of all the products I bought in my Bahrain travels. All of them were drugstore. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Do check it out if you haven't already. Some beautiful gems right there. This looks so scary right now, you guys, but you gotta trust the process. This is also a Plume sponge. This is slightly harder. It's a microfiber sponge and it's not damp. I've used it dry and I love this flat thing right here. It gives you so much coverage on your face. I'm not gonna let this sit for too long, so I'm quickly gonna brush this off. I'm breaking out right here, you guys. I'm still on antibiotics. If you've been following me on Instagram, you probably know that I was on this massive sick leave for almost 10 to 12 days. I had the worst food poisoning. It was so bad. Honestly, I hate monsoons because I keep getting sick every time in monsoons. So I'm breaking out right here because all of those antibiotics, they really mess up your gut and your system. But you got to do what you got to do, you know. I'd rather take antibiotics and break out than be pooping my pants all day, literally. We're going to use this palette right here. This one's from Milani. This is the face palette in the shade Light. I bought this in May during the Nykaa Summer Super Saver Sale. I think that's how it's like a whole mouthful of words. Most of my expensive makeup is bought during these Nykaa sales because you get a superb discount. I love this palette so much. I'm going to go in with this shade right here that's called Shadow. So these three are eyeshadows right here. I'm going to use my Plume P22 brush, and I'm going to go in with that brown shade right here. So this fluffy brush right here is from BH Cosmetics. It's quite old. I bought this in 2016 or 17. It's a vegan brush set. Now BH Cosmetics is not vegan. It's cruelty free. I have to mention this every time. But some of their products are vegan, like this range right here. It's not made with animal fur, which is amazing. So I like to use all makeup brushes that don't have any animal fur. I'm really particular about that. The brush that I used earlier all over my face is this one right here, the Flawless Face Brush from e.l.f. e.l.f. has a lot of vegan brushes. I think all of their brushes have synthetic bristles. Whenever you're looking for vegan brushes, just look for synthetic fiber. That's it, synthetic bristles. I'm going to use my Kiro eyeshadow stick in Peachy Gold. This is what it looks like. This is also one of my favorite colors after, I think, Lunar Champagne. That's the color name. Really good stuff. I'm going to use that same brush to blend this all out at the edges. With these eyeshadow sticks, you need to work fast, guys, because once they set, they set. These are some of the best eyeshadow sticks. They're super waterproof. I've also mentioned them in my Best of Makeup 2021 video. I'm going in with my brown eyeliner of Kiro to just add some more shadow, and then we're going to go in with a proper eyeliner. This is the shade Earth Brown. This brown liner is my go-to. I've tried so many brown liners, but this is the one that I'm constantly drawn towards. I've carried this with me on my travels. I use this on my eyebrows as well when I'm in a hurry. This is pretty smudge-proof and it's pretty long-lasting. I'm going to use my waterproof eyeliner pen from Kiro. So this is what the liner looks like. I love doing an ombre. I love using a different color of eyeliner right here and then doing a nice ombre with a black liner. It's my go-to moment these days. This eyeliner is so underrated. It's honestly one of the best out there. It's waterproof, it's smudge-proof, perfect for monsoons, perfect for oily eyelids, and it's also felt tip, so it's super easy even for beginners. It's not a liquid brush, which makes it very tricky if you're a beginner. I think I need to do my lips first, you guys, because my eyes are super warm and my lips with the lip tint right now are super cool toned. I need to warm it down a bit. I'm first going to use some lipstick and then we're going to warm up the face. I'm going to use the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner. This is in the shade Beautiful Liar. I haven't spoken much about these lip liners, but they're honestly so good. If you want something super budget friendly, then this is definitely a brand you should check out. I haven't tried too much of makeup from Nykaa, but the ones that I have tried, I'm a huge fan of. I think I'm going to do an ombre of these two colors. So both of these are from Blur, vegan, cruelty free. This is the shade Ladies and Gentlemen Me, and this is the shade Control Yourself Sweetie. I love their names, they're so funny. I don't think I want to do an ombre because this by itself looks really nice, and it's not a lipstick that I wear too often, mainly because I don't choose a lot of brown colors. I don't choose a lot of warm tone because they make my teeth look super yellow. I really like their lipstick formulations. They're really soft. I hate their liquid lipsticks, but these are amazing. So today we're going to work backwards because I wanted to apply this lipstick first and see how to go about the rest of my makeup because my eyes are super warm, and if I use a blush that's too cool tone, it would look really funny. So now I know how to go about it. I'm going to use my K-Beauty blush in Sweetheart Pink, and I've dabbed it at the back of my hand, and I'm going to pick it up with my beauty blender and then blend it all over my face. The reason I love this blush is because this stuff is smudge proof. This looks so pretty, you guys. I love this blush so much. It dries down completely matte and it's smudge proof. It doesn't budge at all. I've mentioned this in my Instagram reels. I've also reposted it to YouTube Shorts, so check it out if you haven't already. I think that's when I did my Nykaa haul, like a mini haul. I'm going to use the Typsy Beauty Ching bronzer in Self-Made. It's a new brand. I think it's launched by a content creator, if I'm not mistaken. This was sent to me in PR, but I love this bronzer. It is so soft. It blends in so beautifully. It looks stunning on the skin. I'm not going to contour my face because I'm using the bronzer like a contour today. I don't want to go overboard. I think this looks perfect, and I've added a nice level of warmth to my face. I'm going to use my Faces Canada Weightless Matte Compact. This is the lowest coverage compact out there. I just want to buff out any rough edges on my face. I'm using my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. It's my most trusted one. It's also the most affordable one out there. So I did my eyebrows slightly different. I've used two different shades. I've used medium brown and dark brown because I wanted to add some more redness to it, because I do have a bronze look going on, but this looks pretty good. I'm not too mad. I think this looks fine. We need to do mascara, but before that, I need to add some depth to my lower lash line right here. It's so special, so I'm picking up this kajal liner. This is the All Day Comfort kajal liner from Kiro in the shade black, carbon black. Now I don't apply kajal to my waterline at all. It makes my eyes look really small, but I'm just smudging this out ever so slightly on my bottom lash. If you enjoy applying kajal to your waterline, then this is a kajal you should definitely check out. It's perfect if you have very sensitive eyes, watery eyes like mine. I'm gonna curl my lashes using the Simply Nam eyelash color. This is amazing. This is the only eyelash color that I've been using. Going in with my Kiro mascara. This is one of my favorites since months now. I absolutely love it. It's very, very waterproof, very long lasting, and smudge proof as well. Perfect for this weather. And if you have sensitive eyes, then you should definitely check this out because it doesn't trouble the eyes. It doesn't make you all watery. I have super sensitive eyes, so I need to be super particular about all of this. You got me doing. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter, not too much because I anyway have a very glowy base. I'm gonna use the More Than Glow highlighter. Why is this not opening? Okay, this is the one from Catrice. Again, a drugstore that I bought from Bahrain in April. It's mentioned in my Bahrain haul video as well. I'm going to use this shade right here. It's a more subtle shimmer shade, and just top it off right here. It's a beautiful blush color, but it's so shiny. It looks really nice. This looks superb. Now to lock it all in, we're going to use a setting spray. This one's from NYX. This is a dewy finish setting spray. You can use a mattifying one too. That's perfectly up to you. I want a nice dewy finish because I'm really living for it. So let's go in. So this is the final makeup look, you guys. It's come out so well. I'm so impressed with all of these products individually as well, and even together they've come across so well. I really wanted to talk about these in depth for a while now. These are amazing products. Now obviously there are some of my hardcore favorites like the Kiro ones, the Miss Claire eyebrow products. I absolutely love those, so I really wanted to talk about some more products in today's video. I love this makeup look. It's super bronzy, it's super warm. I had no idea it's going to be this bronzy because I've worn a very cool tone top, but anywho, this looks really cool. Now this makeup right here, she's not gonna move, you guys, because the eye makeup is completely smudge proof. The kohl, the eyeliner pencil, the mascara, the eyeshadow products, everything 100% waterproof. I love this so much, and I've obviously locked it in with a very nice primer underneath. I've locked it in with some nice setting spray, some nice setting powder, so this is not gonna move. I feel like I want to go for some nice Indian wedding right now because this makeup look screams bridesmaid. It actually looks really nice. I am living this bronze moment. I'm sorry guys, I just can't get over how beautiful this looks. Let me know in the comments what you think about this makeup look, and also if you've tried any of these makeup products, and let me know what your experience was like. If you have any new makeup in mind that you want me to try out, then leave it in the comments and I'll definitely check it out. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed watching this video. Alright you guys, I'm going to take your leave now, but before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my previous videos right here. I will catch you all in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye!